Hey, this is Adam from Foxhound Bee Company. So I'm recording this video from Austin, Texas, because there's a premiere tonight for the movie Rivals of Amziah King. So we've been posting a bunch of stuff about this video that's coming out, or this movie that's coming out, because we were involved with the shooting of it. It was back in 2023, and it was shot in Birmingham, Alabama, and it was a movie about beekeeping, and it comes out in theaters this week. So it's August 10th right now. I think the first day that you can see it in theaters is August 14th. And this week there is a premiere in Austin, Texas, and then there's also a premiere in Nashville, Tennessee. And I'm fortunate enough I can go to both of those. My wife Stephanie and I are here in Austin, and we get to see this premiere. There's also a concert that Matthew is doing. The reason there's a concert is because this movie is not a musical, but there's a lot of music in it, and it's bluegrassy. So the Last Bison is the band that participated in the movie and wrote a lot of the music, or performed a lot of the music. So there's going to be a concert tonight with Matthew, and this is just a once-in-a-lifetime experience to be able to have even done this video, but also to be able to come to the premiere. So I invited some friends from Austin in the beekeeping community, and they're going to join tonight. It's a few people from Two Hives, if you know Tara Chapman, and also from Charlie Bee Company. They're going to come out too, and they're basically going to come and hang, and they're local here, so they get to watch this movie too and get a sneak peek before everybody else does it. So we are posting a bunch of content now and in the future about like what we did in the movie, but right now I want to encourage you to go see it, because it is a movie made for beekeepers from my point of view, because there's beekeeping all the way through. There's honey boxes, there's barrels, there's bottling honey, there's uncapping honey, and also the cool thing is there's no fake bees, there's no CGI, there's no AI in this whole thing. There's also no stunt doubles for any of the bees. So anything you see with beekeeping with Matthew or with Angelina is 100% them. I was supposed to be a backup for Matthew if everything went south, and they did not need me at all. Everything went so well. So if you are a beekeeper or you love bees, you should be encouraged to go see this movie in theaters, because I don't know how long it's gonna be in theaters, because I just don't know how this stuff works. We shot it in 2023 and it's 2026 and it's coming to theaters now. So I have no idea how this stuff works, but I just encourage you to go do it. And I'm gonna go get ready for tonight. I'm excited about it. It starts at 5:30. There's paparazzi, I guess, people hanging out waiting for Matthew. I don't know, but I just wanted to do a call to action for beekeepers to go see this thing, because it is a fantastic movie if you are interested in bees, and if you're a beekeeper you will appreciate it. And remember, it's a movie, not a documentary.